If you want to enable or disable SMS delivery report on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, first of all, we need to go to Google Messages. Once we open Google Messages, we're going to tap on our profile in the upper right corner, and then in here, you want to choose Messages Settings. Now in here, what you can do is if you have two SIM cards, then you need to choose the SIM for which you want to toggle that option. So we can select, let's say, go over here, and then we have get SMS delivery reports, which we can enable or disable. And on the other hand, if you have just one SIM, then most likely you have these settings instead. So you want to scroll down in order to find advanced option. I don't have it because I have this instead, but in your case, if you have one SIM, you will find advanced in here somewhere at the bottom. So you want to select it to find these settings here, and you should be able to find get SMS delivery reports. Subscribe to my channel.